Picture this, a courtroom that should be a sanctuary of justice, transformed into a playground for the corrupt. I never thought I'd witness such a betrayal of trust, but here I am, about to tell you a story that shook our justice system to its core. It began with whispers, subtle signs that something wasn't quite right in our district court. Cases that should have been straightforward were taking unusual turns. Criminals with deep pockets were walking free, while innocent people were facing harsh sentences. As an investigative journalist, these patterns caught my attention, and I couldn't ignore them. The deeper I dug, the more disturbing the truth became. Judge Kazin, respected for 2 decades on the bench, was accepting bribes, but he wasn't alone. 2 other judges were part of this scheme. Judge Barbie Scharf-Zeldez and Judge Veronica Vasquez, systematically undermining justice for personal gain. They had created an intricate web of corruption, where verdicts were essentially up for sale to the highest bidder. But here's where it gets even more shocking. Following the money trail led to an unthinkable discovery. The state guardian, Mary Werner, the very person appointed to oversee judicial integrity, was the mastermind behind it all. The person tasked with protecting our justice system was orchestrating its destruction. She had built a network of corrupt judges, lawyers, and criminals, all working together to pervert justice for profit. The turning point came during what seemed like a routine hearing. A seasoned prosecutor named Thomas Kelly had been quietly building a case for months. He had gathered ironclad evidence, wire recordings, bank transactions, and testimony from insiders who had finally decided to come clean. As Judge Kazin about to dismiss yet another case against a notorious crime boss, Mary Werner made her move. FBI agents swept into the courtroom. The look on Kazin's face when he realized he was trapped was unforgettable. One by one, the corrupt judges were taken into custody, right there in their robes, in front of a stunned courtroom. The state guardian tried to flee the country, but she was arrested at a private airfield, clutching a bag filled with cash and fake passports. The very system she had corrupted was now serving justice to her. This story reminds us that justice, while it can be delayed or corrupted, eventually prevails. It takes courage. The courage of people like Thomas Kelly, the whistleblowers, Laura Martinez and Phil Ross, who came forward, and the honest law enforcement officers who refused to look the other way. Today, our courthouse stands stronger, with new safeguards and oversight measures. But more importantly, it stands as a testament to the power of truth and the importance of fighting for what's right, no matter how powerful your opponents may be. Remember, in the end, justice isn't just about laws and courtrooms. It's about people willing to stand up for what's right, even when it seems impossible.